In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track flights on Google Flights. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Flights page. This is Google's own tool for searching and monitoring airfare. Surfare, and it's free to use. Before you do anything else, sign into your Google account using the sign in button in the upper right corner. Being signed in is important because it's what lets Google save your preferences and send you price alerts. Choose your account or enter your details, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in process. Once you're back on the Google Flights homepage, you're ready to set up your search. Click the field labeled Where To and enter your destination. You can type a city, airport, or country, and Google will suggest matching options as you type. After that, click the Where From field to set your departure point. If you have multiple nearby airports, you can choose the one that's most convenient or the one that usually gives you better fares. Next, open the date picker by selecting the departure date area. A calendar will appear, showing prices by day when available. Choose your departure date, then pick your return date to make it a round trip. If you're exploring, take a moment to glance at how prices shift across the month. Sometimes moving by a day or two can make a big difference. When you're happy with the dates, click Done to lock them in. Now, hit Search. Google Flights will load available options for your route and dates. This is where the tracking feature becomes useful. Look for the Track Prices option near the top of the results and turn it on. When this switch is enabled, Google will monitor the fare for your selected trip and send you email updates when the price changes. It's a simple way to avoid checking constantly and still catch drops as they happen. A few quick tips to get the most from tracking. Make sure you remain signed in to the same Google account and keep an eye on your email inbox, including the promotions or updates tabs where these alerts sometimes land. If you change your trip details later, you'll need to set tracking again for the new route or dates. You can turn tracking off at any time using the same toggle if you no longer need alerts. That's it. You've set your route and dates, searched and turned on price tracking so deals come to you automatically. Thanks for watching and happy travels.